Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to stake Shiba Inu coin on Binance to earn daily profit. So staking cryptocurrency on Binance or any other platform will give you daily interest or profit. So before getting to the process, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. Also, this video is for educational purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor. So before staking the Shiba Inu coin on Binance, let me give you some information about staking cryptocurrency on Binance. Like you are opening a saving bank account, and monthly you will earn profit from your money that you are putting that money in your account on the bank. Like this, you are staking your cryptocurrency coins or tokens in the Binance or any other exchange wallet, and they are giving you daily interest or monthly interest. So in here I will open my browser, navigate to the Binance and sign in with your Binance regular account. Once you are completely signed in, on the top bar click on the wallet and select overview and check. You can check the coins that you are available on the list of your wallet. So right now I don't want that, and I will click on the finance and Binance earn. Once you are here, here you can see guaranteed and high yield. We don't need that, and we are in the HODL, and here is the savings, locked staking, launch pool, BNB vault, Ethereum 2.0 staking. So here we need the locked staking. Here start staking with only 10 USDT worth of assets and to reap higher rewards and additional benefits. So I will click on the view more option. Here we have two options like locked staking and DFI staking. Both of these category are having the changes, and they are having different staking profits. So right now I will click on the expand all 67 locked staking products. So I will find out the Shiba Inu coin. Here is, you can see we have duration days is 13 days and 16 days and 90 days. So here I will select these days are having different profits. Like 90 days is having 5.25% profits, 60 days is 4.12% profits, and the same 30 days is having 3.67% percent profit. So I will select the 30 days and click on the stake now. And here you can see, you can read the description about the stake date, value date, interest period, interest end date, redemption period, redemption date, each and everything, and you can select the duration from this portion also. So here is the available amount. You can see that here I have the available amount of Shiba Inu coin, and I will click on the max option. So here estimated interest is, you can see 25,431% in 30 days the Binance will give me. So here is click on I have read and I agree to Binance staking service agreement, and click on the confirm option. You can see subscription success. So for checking your coins, that whether your coins is staked on Binance or not, so click on the wallet and click on the earn option. Once you are here, select savings and select locked. Select locked staking and select the locked option. So here you can see my Shiba Inu coin is successfully staked on the Binance. So there is still cumulative interest, there is still 0. So from interest end date is, you can see 18/9/2021, it will be around 30 days, and you can see the duration of that. And here is estimated next distribution amount is, you can see here, and 1 day's interest period, and each and everything. If you want to unstake that, click on the redeem and earlier. So guys, This is the easiest way how you can stake your Shiba Inu coin to earn daily profit or daily interest on Binance platform. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, keep supporting us to provide you more interesting videos about cryptocurrency. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.